Yo, this company says you can earn up to $10,000 a month as an online fitness coach. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, I recently came across a dope work from home job opportunity, or really it's a work from anywhere job opportunity for anybody who's a certified personal trainer. You're a dietitian, a nutritionist, or you have a degree that's related to the, exercise or kinesiology, right? That fancy word. If you have a degree related to that, you could actually apply for this opportunity. So the company that I'm talking about is called Kickoff. All right. Now, Kickoff are hiring online fitness coaches. All right. So basically, if you get hired for this position, if you get invited, that's what they say, invited to be a fitness coach, you pretty much, your job is to, train people. Kickoff takes care of, the lead generation, the billing, everything, organization. Kickoff takes care of all of that. Your job is to do what hopefully you enjoy doing, and that's helping people, that's training people, getting people in shape, right? That's what you can focus on if you are a Kickoff fitness coach. So you saw the title of this video. You're probably wondering like, yo, that's nice what you talk about, but how do I get to $10,000 a month as a fitness coach? Well, it says on the website of Kickoff that it's possible to earn this amount of money because one fitness coach can have up to 100 clients that they're working with at one time. So you might be wondering like, how is this possible? Like 100 clients? Well, if you have 100 clients, keep in mind, you're going to be, interacting with these clients, but you're not going to have to do, hour sessions, with these clients. So it's doable. You're basically going to be setting up programs for these clients and then checking in on them, right? On a daily basis. That's what you'll be doing. So don't think like, oh my God, how am I going to do 100 clients? No, this is online fitness coaching. There's no in-person and all of that. So honestly though, if you are one of those fitness coaches that has 100 clients, yeah, you're going to be grinding. You probably will be, taking 6 to 8 hours out your day, reaching out to all of your clients and checking in on them, right? But one cool thing about this opportunity is if you get hired as a fitness coach, there is no minimum of clients that you could take on. So you could actually just be like, look, I'm just trying to earn, a couple extra $100 a month or whatever. So you might only take on 10 clients, right? Somebody else might be like, yo, I'm about that life. I'm really trying to make this money. You might want to take on 90 to 100 clients. It's really up to you once you are a Kickoff fitness coach. So I think this is a dope ass opportunity. The only issue that I could see is just getting through the application process. From what I understand, like it is a nice little process. You do have to get accepted to become a Kickoff fitness coach. And they even say on the website, they are pretty picky, right? So you need to have your stuff together, right? Because you do have to, you have to prove your certification, right? And if you have a degree and all that, you got to prove all that. Then you actually got to create a profile where you pretty much got to sell yourself of why you would be a great fitness coach for the company. But I think if you get hired for this opportunity, if you're into fitness and everything, like I think this is an incredible opportunity. All right. So I will put a link in the description where you could apply to be a fitness coach for Kickoff. So you can check it out for yourself. If you do get hired as a fitness coach for Kickoff, come back to this video and comment and share your experience because people want to know.